Welcome to the Ingredient Riddle Challenge. Get ready to solve riddles and guess the ingredient they represent. Here's your riddle. I'm a herb with a strong aroma and distinct flavor. I'm used in many Indian dishes, and my leaves are known for their medicinal properties. What am I? The options are mint, Tulsi, cilantro, and curry leaves. Good guess, but not quite. Here's a clue for you. This herb is considered sacred in Indian culture and is often used in Ayurvedic medicine for its numerous health benefits. Congratulations! You've correctly guessed Tulsi. This riddle was brought to you by Swastha Cookware. We have an exciting recipe for Tulsi green tea. Would you like to hear more about this recipe? No problem. You can come back anytime to play more riddle on Sanjeev Kapoor Smart Recipes. Here are some of our trending